Welcome to Bearsoldier's Gun Reviews. Today I picked up this bad boy on sale. The Mossberg Maverick 88 Cruiser Pump Shotgun. I bought this at Cabela's. So when I bought this bad boy, we checked it out and everything. So I already checked it out over there at the shop, but let's see what it all has there. There she goes. It just comes with the basic lock there. And I took it out of the box package. There she is. Mossberg 88. This is the new Mossberg 88 Maverick Cruiser Pump Shotgun with pistol grips. And it 4 ends in a black synthetic. For budget wise, this is a pretty good gun in a blue metal finish. And it features dual extractors, twin action bars, positive steel to steel backup lockup, and an anti-jam elevator to provide trouble-free operation. It's a handy cross bolt safety, front bead sight, which is standard. I'm going to take this bad boy to the range. I bought this bad boy to do some I like target practice. Also, this is my third Mossberg, and this will be my second 88. I have the longer barrel version, the security. But that I use for ducks. And this one I'm going to use for water hens. Actually, the bird water hen. The water hen hunting, which is prairie chicken. Because I want to shoot from the hip. So this is the 12 gauge. 3 chamber length. 20-inch barrel. I think it's a little over 30 inches. 7 round capacity plus 1 in the chamber. And it weighs about 6 pounds. This baby. So I'm going to take this to the firing range soon. See how she blows. There she is. The Mossberg 88. I'll be doing more depth review on this soon. This is just an out of a box review. And this is my Mossberg 88 Cruiser Pump Shotgun. I picked up at Cabela's on sale in Canadian funds.